YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Atolla Powered USB 3.0 hub. This is the 7 3.0 USB data ports plus 4 smart charging ports version of this hub. It's pretty straightforward. You have the actual hub itself, the blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 USB 3.0. The red ones, including this one over here, they also have fast charging for phones. And they include an AC adapter so that you can actually power anything that you plug into here. So you can actually plug up all the ports and have enough juice to run everything running out of there. Another feature is that each port on the front has an individual on and off button right there. So you can turn on and off the ports that you need, conserve power, and you can run it without the power supply if you don't need all that power, but they do include the AC adapter, so that way you can run as many things as you want from this hub. Very versatile and very worth it. I've used this hub in various applications. I do plan on putting it on my desktop eventually, so that way I can plug in my flight sim peripherals into one thing, because I have a problem with the radio sometimes where the USB port, you need to take it off and put it back in to make it function with the flight simulator. And it'd be easier to have an extension coming out from the back. And with USB 3.0 support, it would make it great too, because it would take full advantage of my USB ports. I've also used it on my work computer, my laptop here, and although it only supports USB 2.0, so the speeds are slightly slower on this, even with the USB 3, only because it's a USB 2.0 port that you're plugging into. The other night, I used it to actually show movies off a micro SD card. We actually watched movies on the porch, and I had it plugged in right into here, into my laptop that did have USB 3.0 out in the porch, and I was getting speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second read on the micro SD card, which supported the full speed. So this does have the speed when you need it. It's plugged into the USB 2.0 port. Remember, that's 2.0 and not 3.0. And just to show you that you can just hold the power on and off button to turn on different USB ports. You don't have to have them all on at the same time. You can just use the ones that you want. What I have here is a USB 3.0 card reader. So this is at USB 3.0 speeds. I have a micro SD card and other USB 3.0 ports. This will actually transfer very fast, like up to 90 megabytes per second. For micro SD, that's pretty fast. And we're gonna place it right in this USB 3.0 port. And as you can see, you didn't hear anything because I didn't turn it on yet. So I'm gonna turn it on, pushing the power button, start it load up, and put a small 1080p video file on that micro SD card. I'm gonna copy it and paste it to the desktop on my work laptop. It's about 300 something megabytes. So here we go. It's reading about 30 megabytes per second, which is what USB 2.0 supports. So you just gotta take my word for it though. When you plug this into a USB 3.0 port, it goes up to 90. And for USB 2.0, that went right up to the top of what it supports. So it does great. If we wanna watch the video from it, again, being plugged into the USB 3.0 micro SD card reader, it's going at USB 2.0 speeds for the laptop. We just double click. It reads it pretty fast. I mean, I can skip around right to whatever I want to use or see on the video. So the speeds of the USB 3.0 Atolla hub are great. And again, this is at USB 2.0. You put it on 3.0, it's even faster. I have my Google Pixel 2 here, which is a fast charging supported phone. I have a USB to USB-C connector to plug it in. We're just gonna plug this into one of the red ports here, which is a fast charging port. I'm gonna plug it into the Google Pixel 2. And it's not on yet, because again, you can turn it on and off with the power on switch. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, and I'm gonna go to this screen. It says charging. So it's charging, and it says 87%. And it just went up to 88. And that took about a minute at most. So it is fast charging. So to use the power supply, we just plug it right into the hub right here. And we're gonna plug this into a wall outlet to give it some more power. So the AC/DC adapter is plugged into the Atolla hub here, and it went up right away already. So it's at 89%. So we're doing well. So it's not the fastest charging that you could have on the Google Pixel 2 or the newest Pixels, but it is really fast compared to just a regular USB charge. With the AC adapter, you could also plug in peripherals that might need extra power if you're using all of these hubs, or if it just needs extra power because it uses that much. So it's a great feature that they put on the USB 3.0 hub. And that is my review of the Atolla USB 3.0 hub. They do sell different sizes, so you can get a smaller number of ports. I went with one that has a lot of ports, so that way I have future expandability in my USB drives and stuff like that. An excellent product. I haven't had any problems with it, and I've used this for about a month and a half right now. Anywhere from watching movies off micro SD cards, to charging phones, to plugging different peripherals all over the place. It works great. If you'd like to purchase the Atolla USB 3.0 hub, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.